Meet again with Autechno channel. We will review Cadillac Spools up 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8. Do not forget to watch until finished. Well, have a good time watching. Cadillac Spools up 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8. Cadillac will give its CT6 full estimate car a jolt with the 2019 CT6 V-Sport. The new execution showed likewise introduces another motor for the brand, and it's an expert. Close by the CT6 V-Sport's uncover on Wednesday, Cadillac gave points of interest on another double overhead cam, twin-turbocharged, 4.2-liter V8 motor. The nuts and bolts. The new factory directs out unexpected 550 drive at 5,700 revolutions per minute and an amazing 627 pound-feet of torque in the vicinity of 3,200 and 4,000 revolutions per minute. The turbos create up to 20 pounds per square inch of lift, and an electronic wastegate helps keep 90% of the motor's pinnacle torque accessible at around 2,000 revolutions per minute. This isn't your abnormal uncle's Northstar V-8. Cadillac engineers began with a clear canvas to enhance execution and proficient bundling for the 4.2-liter V8. Strikingly, the motor highlights a hot V arrangement, which contrasts from numerous other turbocharged motors yet gorillas the plans utilized by Porsche, Audi and Mercedes. The hot inside V configuration places turbochargers at the highest point of the motor in a valley between the heads. Not exclusively does the plan help achieve the motor's little bundling. Cadillac said it for all intents and purposes dispenses with turbo slack. In a regular turbocharged motor, barrelheads get air through ports at the highest point of the motor, while debilitate exits bring down through ports outside the manifold, which interface with the turbos. The hot V configuration takes consumption air from a lower position outside of the heads and it exits through the best inside position. The turbochargers are coordinated with the ventilation system, and the whole framework guarantees the turbos spool up extraordinarily rapidly for quick power conveyance. The motor is produced using a lightweight aluminum chamber hinder that houses a manufactured steel crankshaft, fashioned steel interfacing poles, and high-quality aluminum cylinders. The chamber exhausts are only 3.39 feet in width, an outline attribute that took into account littler and lighter cylinders. In its rotation, the motor loves ceramic power is accessible over the RPM band. Other designing features of Cadillac's new Deer V8 motor incorporate in throttle bodies, coordinate fusion, dynamic fuel administration, a variable weight toilet framework, and stall begin capacity. Water-to-air cooling guarantees chilled air before it enters the chamber through a couple of warmth exchangers situated over the valley-mounted ventilation system, turbocharger logic. The motor, in any event in the CT6 V-Sport, is likewise combined with General Motors' 10-speed program transmission with the 7.39 general rigging proportion. One little detail that's got our attention is the motor's get-together area. GM's Performance Build Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky. GM likewise assembles other execution range streets in Bowling Green, and every one of them including the Chevrolet Corvette. To this motor, or some variation, locate a home in the mid-motor V8 Corvette. Chevrolet execution representative Ronald Pino revealed to Motor Authority GM doesn't remark on future items. It beyond any doubt would bode well, however, wouldn't it? So many of our reviews, do not forget likes and subscribe us to get the latest information. Good luck always. Regard from us from Autechno channel.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.